tell you that B2B marketing can hardly be measured. Well, that's not the truth. It can be a myth, or it can be an convenient excuse, I would say. Because the truth is that in today's advanced world, with the advanced marketing analytic tools, with CRM integration, with attribution tools, and in fact with the fully automated marketing stacks which are available, every touch point in the entire buying journey can be tracked and can be reported. In fact, in one of the LinkedIn's B2B benchmark report itself says that of lately around 70% of the B2B marketers actually tie their marketing ROIs with the direct impact on the revenue. And that's the right approach. So if that small blog which actually added to the top of your funnel, or whether it was that convincing webinar which moved the needle to move your bottom of the funnel to the successful orders, everything can be tracked and can be reported. So in one of my leadership role, in fact, we had utilized the CRM and the campaign analytics to analyze the attribution. And once you link this with your CRM, the data speaks itself for the marketing. You no more have those days of gut feeling kind of reporting. It's all data backed reporting. It's all fact backed reporting. And instead of getting that unwanted stamp of being the cost center, please do earn that much deserving badge of being the revenue generator. So if you are the one who's still curious to know how to crack this code, how to measure it, how to set the right KPIs and the measuring tricks, I would be happy to connect and share my personal experiences, because I have seen this transformation happening in my last 2.5 decades in the B2B space. So let's keep breaking this myth. B2B marketing measurement is not elusive. It's all black and white. It is as measurable as the sales could be.